I wish I could help you, as I help my son to be a good citizen. If Salahuddin were to be here, if he alive, he would forgive you. That's the way he was. That's the way he is. I'm not angry at you for being part of hurting my son. I'm angry at the devil. I blame the devil who misguiding you and misleading you to do such a horrible crime. No, I don't blame you. I'm not angry at you at all. I want you to know that. I forgive you on behalf of Salahuddin and his mother.
Mr. Rofer, do you wish to make a statement?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry about what happened that day. But I do applaud you. Because it takes a powerful man to know that somebody has hurt them. And do what you get up there and say what you just said. I have a child. She's 4. I can imagine the hurt, the pain. You really hurt. Just tell them what you do. When I get you, your forgiveness.